Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So if you guys remember, yesterday OnePlus 12 got OxygenOS 14.1 update, and the same update is being rolled out now for OnePlus 11. In this video, we'll again talk about every new change, what this update brings on the table for OnePlus 11. So now without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here we have two phones, one is 12R and the second one is 11. Because till now 12R haven't received this update, so we can use this device as a comparison. And guys, I'm again talking about all the things which I covered in the previous video of OnePlus 12. It's not like I'm repeating the things, but I don't want people to go and watch that video to know every change. So OnePlus 11 users will only have to watch one video which can be useful for them. If you see the OxygenOS version, it says 14.0, but it's actually 14.1. Yesterday we also produced a screenshot stating the OS version is 14.1. I'm not sure why it's not being changed in the about section, but it's actually 14.1 build. On this build you get security patch of 5th June 2024 and version is .810, which is the similar version what we got on OnePlus 12. I also did not receive the OTA update, so I manually sideloaded the file. We do have incremental files available. You can download them from the description below. The update size was somewhere around 1.13 GB. And guys, now before moving ahead, if you guys like a content and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Okay, first let me tell you, the AI features are still not introduced on OnePlus 11, like the AI eraser which other OnePlus smartphones have got. I'm not sure whether this device will be getting AI features in future or not, because if they had to add, it would have been added with the OxygenOS 14.1 build. And if I show you the changelogs of this latest build, we have a huge list. Some of them are not mentioned by OnePlus in the changelogs, but we'll talk about them. So here you can see a huge list of changelogs which are related to touch control, animation upgrade, security, games and system. So the first change what you'll notice on the latest build, and that's related to the music player. Now you can see music player got revamped on the lock screen. We do get the progress bar along with this wavy format towards the right top corner, and towards the bottom side you have buttons like play, pause, etc. So this is one minor change on the lock screen what you guys will see after this latest update, but there are no changes done in the quick setting tiles. Music player remains same if you play any music. Another change what you'll notice, and that's related to status bar icons. Now status bar icons got completely revamped. You can see the battery bar is completely different from what we used to see before, and along with other icons, which is now kind of bolder in look. You can see the changes here clearly. And in the status bar now we also get the support of dynamic island type stuff for music player. Right now it doesn't work with applications like YouTube Music, but it do works with Spotify. So this is how it looks in the status bar. If you are playing any music on Spotify, long pressing on it will give you more information with a pop-up. Also you can see this nice bouncy effect whenever you pull down the notification panel, which wasn't the case on previous build. Also volume sliders got revamped. Let me show you the screenshot. So this is how it used to look before, and now you can see the changes. The volume slider size got decreased, and now we have proper semicircle corners. And this is how it looks if you open the system volume section. You guys let us know if you like the previous one or the new one. Also if you go to wallpaper section, now they have added an option to add blur to any wallpaper, but it works with static wallpaper. So here you can see there's a new toggle which lets you blur the wallpaper, and you also have the option to use blur either on home screen, lock screen or on both. Launcher also got upgraded. There are slight changes which we'll talk about, but one change which we noticed on OnePlus 12 with this latest build is not to be seen on OnePlus 11. So for example, if you go to layout section, and here on our OnePlus 12 you can see under layout we only have two options. OnePlus 11 we have all other options which were previously present. And after that, if you go to app drawer, here you can see towards the bottom side there is slight shade they have added, and it looks quite nice, which wasn't the case on previous builds. So these are the only changes what you'll see in the launcher. Now let's talk about the changes what they have done in the settings page. So if you go to settings, on the top itself now you'll find airplane mode have been added, and now all the sections are quite well segregated. You can see side by side how it was segregated before and how it's segregated now. System and update section have been combined together. Previously the update section was present under about section, but now it has been added under system and update. Though you can still go to about section and update your device, but an additional option have been added under system and update section. So in past Google did introduce this repair mode, and now it's on OxygenOS 14.1, and it will be a very useful feature if you're giving your device for repair. You can enable this mode. This will restrict the access to your photos, videos, contacts and other chats. OnePlus have also mentioned few notes. For example, there should be at least 10% of storage available on your device before enabling the repair mode. You can pause and go through these notes. One thing which OnePlus did not add, and that's the ability to increase or decrease the brightness of torch, which was added on OnePlus 12 with yesterday's update. So here you can see that, and that's not being added on OnePlus 11 with this latest update. Under connection and sharing, we also have a new option called touch interaction. So basically you can see the description which says when your phone is placed near a tablet NFC detection area, you can cast your phone screen to that tablet. I don't have any tablet of OnePlus right now, so I can't test it out. Adaptive sleep have been renamed to screen attention, which we used to see on Pixel smartphones. Also, special features have been moved under accessibility and convenience. Under RAM expansion, we do have an option of RAM optimization. On OnePlus 12, we do get to see this graph, but currently it's not present here because I think I need to use the device for a while. Then this graph should appear on this device also. So basically how it works, the system automatically detects the idle background applications and compress their memory to free up some RAM. If you see example here, these are the applications which have been compressed and the RAM have been freed from these applications. The RAM which has been freed, it's also mentioned here. So these are all the visual changes what you'll notice after latest build of OxygenOS 14.1. Now let's talk about the change logs what OnePlus have mentioned. With the first change, OnePlus says the app icon on the home screen now responds faster to your taps, and that's true. You can clearly see a difference whenever you tap on the icons present on the home screen. Then they have also improved the touch responsiveness when opening or closing any applications on the home screen. Later on, some optimizations related to opening and closing of multiple applications, and they have also optimized the animation while dragging application on the home screen. Gaussian blur effect have also been added. You can only see that if you tap on the applications fast. And now they have also changed the transition effect whenever you tap on any of the widgets on the home screen. You can see on the previous build, this is how it used to open and close, but now if you see here on the latest build, the transition is completely changed. Overall, they have improved the animations a lot now after 14.1 update. Previously, they did introduce that new animation engine, but now the animations are more improved. Later security changes have been done, wherein calendar now only asks for bare minimum permission, and the clipboard feature has been improved to automatically detect and block apps for accessing your sensitive data or information. Later they have also mentioned about gaming improvement, so that we'll get to know once we do an in-depth review. I'll try to test multiple games. And after that, under system they have added the option to hide your drawing while unlocking your device with the pattern. So if that thing is not enabled, anyone can see the pattern, whatever you draw on your device to unlock, but now you can see there's an option to show track. If you disable it, no one will be able to see the pattern, whatever you draw on your device. So guys, these are all the changes what OnePlus have done with the latest build of OxygenOS 14.1. If you guys have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. We'll soon be dropping an in-depth review video, so stay tuned for it. Now this is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.
Put them on display, on repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do.